Hi, and welcome to Voyager's latest course, AI Tools Beyond ChatGPT. One of the common pieces of feedback I've gotten is that ChatGPT is great, but what other tools are out there that I should know about? That's exactly why I created this microcourse. We'll explore three tools, Gamma, Suno, and Replit. Three AI-powered applications that can make your life easier, save you time, and allow you to be more fun and creative in your work. This course isn't meant to make you an expert in any of these tools. Instead, it will give you a jump start, a clear sense of what each tool does, where it can fit into your life as an educator, and how you can start experimenting with it today. For a bit of context, you already know ChatGPT. That's an example of a large language model, or an LLM. While Gamma, Suno, and Replit are not technically LLMs themselves, they are built on top of them. You can think of LLMs as the brains behind these tools, providing the intelligence that power the magic. And lastly, as I demo the use cases for each tool, you'll even get a glimpse on how I leverage each of these tools to bring this very presentation to life. So let's get started and learn how you can revamp your slides with Gamma.app. Let me know if this sounds familiar. You open up PowerPoint, you stare at a blank slide, and you spend the next hour meticulously aligning text boxes, searching the internet for images, and trying to make your slides look halfway decent. Gamma completely rethinks that process. You type in what you want to present, and Gamma generates a polished deck with layouts, images, and structure already done for you. It's perfect for busy teachers who want professional results without the headache. Just describe what you need, and Gamma helps build it for you. Let's look at a live demo of how to use this tool in action. To get started, open up your web browser and go to www.gamma.app. Create a free account with either your email or by connecting to Google, and you're ready to get started. After creating your account, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can find the Create New button to get started with your first presentation. For this first example, we're going to use the Generate tool to create a presentation from scratch. Similar to ChatGPT, we're going to use a prompt to generate our outline for the presentation. Don't forget your prompt engineering best practices, like giving context and having a clear ask when prompting Gamma. In this example, I'm going to have the role of a 5th grade science teacher who wants to create a presentation for their students on the solar system. You can watch in real time as Gamma works using AI to generate an outline for this presentation. Gamma will then ask for a few additional clarifications to get the presentation just right. Decide how much text you want per card, decide on a theme, and decide on the art style of your images. A last decision to make is the page style for the presentation. I ultimately went with traditional for this presentation because it's easily convertible to PowerPoint or Google Slides. Without further ado, let's generate our presentation. And just like that, we've created a beautiful presentation in the matter of minutes instead of hours. The great part about Gamma is once it's generated the presentation, you can go back and make any edits you want. You can either do this inside the app, or my preferred method is to export the app to Google Slides and then use Google Slides to make any edits, updates, and changes you want. Here's a look at the final presentation after I made a few small formatting changes in Google Slides. Before we wrap up, I want to go through one more quick example. This example will showcase the technique of meta prompting, which is, in short, using tools like ChatGPT to create a better prompt that you will then bring over to the Gamma app and use to generate your presentation. You can see in this example, I'm giving the context as someone working on a micro course who's presenting on 3 new AI tools. I give it a clear ask that I want to create a prompt that I will then use to create slides for the presentation using the Gamma.app. I work with ChatGPT to get the outline and prompt just right, giving it insights onto different changes I want to make, different areas I want to focus on, and the content I want to include. Once I get my prompt just right in ChatGPT, I copy it, move over to the Gamma app, and again generate a new presentation. I paste the prompt I created in ChatGPT into the Gamma app. I choose my additional options, like how much text I want, the theme for the presentation, and the page style, and then generate a new presentation. And just like that, another presentation is being built for us. You may even recognize some of these slides. This idea of meta prompting, or using ChatGPT to help you create prompts for other AI tools, is incredibly powerful, and we're going to keep coming back to it throughout this course. So now that we've seen a brief demo on how Gamma works, I wanted to go over a bit of how you can start using it in your classroom and why it matters for teachers. Here are just 3 useful examples. You can build lightning fast lesson slides. Turn your lesson outlines into beautiful interactive presentations in minutes. You can also introduce the tool to students. Give the students professional looking frameworks for research projects and portfolios. Introduce Gamma in a thoughtful way and encourage them to explore the tool and how they can use it in their projects. Lastly, use it for parent and faculty communication. You can use it to create engaging newsletters and informational packets that parents actually want to read, and you won't have to go through the painstaking process of building the PowerPoint from scratch. And that's Gamma, a fast AI-powered way to turn your ideas into polished presentations. Even if you only use it occasionally, it can save you hours of time and make your teaching materials look great. Next up, we'll switch gears from slides to sound and see how AI can help us bring music into the classroom.